Hello everyone. Let's talk about how to tell our name in Khmer. Nyom Chmuh Kanya. My name is Kanya. This is my name. Nyom is I. Chmuh is name. Chmuh. Chmuh. And then your name. Nyom Chmuh Kanya. Now in the previous lesson we talked about possession. My. So when you want to say my name, you add Knyom after the word name. So Chmuh Knyom would be my name. When you want to say my name is, literally, you can say Chmuh Nyom Ku something. Now the word Ku is like a verb to be in English. So in my case, Chmuh Knyom Ku Kanya. Okay? We'll see you in the next shot.